Hey guys, are you want to buy best vinyl record players? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best vinyl record players that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in the description box below. So, now let's get started. Starting at Victrola Portable Suitcase Record Player, the Victrola 3. Speed, belt-driven turntable blends retro charm with modern convenience. Housed in a stylish vintage suitcase with a carry handle, it's perfect for on-the-go listening. With 3 speeds, 33 1/3, 45, 78 RPM, and upgraded sound quality, it plays your favorite vinyl with clarity, while its sound-isolating feet reduce vibration. Built-in Bluetooth speakers let you stream music wirelessly, or connect external devices via RCA output, mine-in, or the headphone jack. No stereo system or extra equipment is needed, just plug and play. User-friendly controls include volume, input selection, and an auto-stop switch, whether you're a beginner or a vinyl enthusiast. This portable record player delivers a nostalgic experience with a modern twist. Available in various colors and designs, it adds personality to any space while helping you create lasting musical memories. Now our second product is 1 Bion Vinyl Record Players. This stylish turntable blends classic elegance with modern tech. 4. An exceptional vinyl experience. Crafted from wood and metal with a sleek, layered design and curved corners, it adds a touch of class to any space. It supports 33 and 45 RPM, and the built-in Bluetooth speaker lets you stream from your phone, tablet, or PC. You can also connect external powered speakers via the built-in amplifier for even bolder sound. Featuring a magnet-type cartridge and adjustable counterweight, it delivers warm, rich audio with minimal distortion. The Audio-Technica diamond-tipped stylus tracks grooves with precision, ensuring every note is crisp and full of detail. With Bluetooth streaming, OIN options, and a user-friendly interface, this turntable offers audiophiles and casual listeners alike a high-definition, noise-free listening experience wrapped in a premium design. Our third product is Retrolife Vinyl Record Player. The Retrolife Suitcase Record Player blends vintage charm with modern versatility. Wrapped in classic black poo leather with retro bronze accents, it's a stylish and portable music companion. Enjoy 3 playback speeds, 33, 45, 78 RPM, and support for 7, 10, and 12 inches vinyls, perfect for any collection. Stream music via Bluetooth. Plug in non-Bluetooth devices using O or connect RCA output for external speakers. Want a personal experience? Just plug in your headphones. The belt-driven anti-resonance design ensures clear, quality sound, while the auto-stop switch protects your vinyls by stopping the platter at the end of a record. Simple setup and quick mode switching make it beginner-friendly, ideal for relaxing at home or hosting a gathering. Whether you're a vinyl lover or new to turntables, this all-in-one player delivers timeless style and rich sound. Now number 4. Pareiko Vintage Record Player. Rediscover the magic of music with this versatile turntable. Supporting 33 1/3, 45 and 78 RPM records. Whether you're spinning timeless classics or exploring new finds, enjoy the rich, soulful sound of vinyl that brings warmth and character to every note. Designed for both collectors and newcomers, it's a perfect way to embrace analog audio. With the included remote control, you can easily adjust volume, skip tracks, or switch modes without leaving your seat, adding convenience to your nostalgic listening experience. Stylish, functional, and user-friendly, this turntable is a must-have for anyone who values the depth and emotion only vinyl can deliver. And our last choice is Mangostan Vinyl Record Player. Enjoy vinyl in style with this 3-speed belt-driven suitcase and 78 RPM records and the 10th of July 12-inch sizes. Designed for portability and performance, it features upgraded sound quality, vibration-isolating feet, and Bluetooth connectivity for easy pairing with smartphones or tablets. The classic green poo leather finish, vintage hardware, and portable. Handle add retro charm, while modern features like RCA outputs, win. And a headphone jack give you flexible listening options. With enhanced bass and treble control, your vinyls sound richer than ever. The improved spring suspension turntable ensures smooth playback with reduced motor vibration. Whether it's a thoughtful gift or your own escape into warm analog sound, this turntable delivers music anywhere at home, at gatherings, or on the go. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.